Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this easy tank top which can be adjusted to fit any size and can be made in a day or two. For this top you will need some yarn, 5mm crochet hook, tapestry needle to weave in the ends, and scissors. We are going to start with a slip knot and chain 27. This is going to be the top part of our tank top. So if you prefer it to be a bit smaller or wider, you can adjust it. After you're done with your chain, for row 1, yarn over, put your hook to the first stitch from the hook, yarn over, pull through, you will have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We have made a double crochet. For the next stitch we're going to do the same double crochet, so yarn over, put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, you will have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. For this whole row we're going to do double crochets till the end. For row 2 we're going to start with an increase, so chain 2, turn your work, and do a double crochet into the first stitch here, and then another double crochet into the same stitch. We have made an increase. After we're going to keep doing normal double crochets till we reach the last stitch of the row. In the last stitch we're going to do another increase, so make 2 double crochets into the last stitch. This way, making increases on the sides will make our top wider. For row 3, again we're going to chain 2, turn your work and do an increase in the first stitch. Then keep doing double crochets till we reach the last stitch. And make another increase at the last stitch in the end. Keep doing this for row 4 and 5. For row 6, we're going to do a mesh double crochet. So chain 3, turn your work and do a double crochet into the first stitch. Then chain 1, skip 1 chain and do a double crochet into the next stitch. Then again chain 1, skip 1 stitch and do a double crochet into the next chain. Keep doing this till you reach the last stitch. For the last stitch, we're going to do double crochet. Chain 1 and do double crochet into the same stitch. For row 7, chain 2, turn your work and do double crochet, increase into the first stitch. And after, keep doing double crochet till the last stitch. In the last stitch, do a double crochet increase again. For row 8 to 19, we are gonna keep doing double crochets with increases at the beginning and end. For row 20, we're going to do another mesh double crochet as before. So chain 3, turn your work and do double crochet into the first stitch. Then chain 1, skip 1 chain and do a double crochet into the next stitch. Then again chain 1, skip 1 stitch and do double crochet into the next chain. Keep doing this till you reach the last stitch. For the last stitch, we're going to do double crochet, chain 1 and do another double crochet into the same stitch. For row 21, we're going to do another double crochet row with increases at the beginning and end. After you're done with that, we're going to work on our edges and straps. So chain 1, and we're going to do single crochet over this edge like so. When you reach the corner here, start chaining a long chain. This is going to be our strap. So for the strap, I did 145 chains. After you think you have a long enough chain to go around, we are going to do single crochet for the strap. When you reach the corner of the top, keep doing single crochets through the top of the tank top. And then again, start chaining a long chain for the strap. And after do single crochets for the strap. And just keep doing single crochets till you reach the end of the strap. And then just keep going to the very end to finish the edge with single crochets as well. And finish off at the last edge of the top here. Just don't do single crochets to the very bottom edge. After you're done with the straps and all the edges for the bottom, we're going to do a wavy edge. To do a wavy edge, skip one stitch and do 5 double crochets into the next stitch. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Then skip one stitch and do a single crochet into the next stitch. Then again skip 1 stitch and do 5 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip 1 stitch and do a single crochet into the next stitch and keep repeating this for the whole edge. When you're done, just fasten the yarn off like so. The last bit is to hide your loose ends, so take your needle, put your yarn through it. And put the needle through the stitch like so. After, take the needle off, cut the leftover yarn and stretch the top out at the end so it's all hidden. And do this to all the ends. After, the last part is to lace the back, so very easy, do it how we would do any other corset type bag. And after you're done that, you're officially done. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye!